Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Deriv Nightmare EA, which is an expert advisor designed for MT5. On the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see it is priced at 110 US dollars with a rental option available for 3 months at 65 US dollars. This is version 1.0 and it currently has 5 activations available. As I scroll through the listing, the developer describes this EA as a synthetic hedging trading robot built specifically for the derivative brokerage environment. The focus here is on navigating volatile synthetic markets like DEX 900 down, as well as boom and crash style instruments. Now, one of the first key points mentioned is that the EA uses a hedging based approach. All right. When a trade is triggered, the system opens an opposite position to reduce exposure. This is presented as a built-in risk management method aiming to balance potential losses during market movement. Another feature highlighted is the trailing behavior of hedging trades. As the market moves, the hedging position is adjusted dynamically, which is intended to help manage floating exposure more efficiently depending on price movement. Moving further, the EA is described as being versatile across different trading pairs and market conditions. It is designed to work on M15 time frame and above, which gives some flexibility depending on how the trader chooses to apply it. It also mentions compatibility with volatile instruments like boom and crash, which are known for sharp price movements. So the system is clearly designed with high volatility environments in mind. Looking at the setup information, the EA is fully automated, meaning it executes trades based on its internal logic without manual intervention. It also emphasizes adaptability across different symbols, which means it can be applied broadly within supported markets. Now, moving into the backtesting section, there are no specific recommended currency pairs or traditional backtesting settings highlighted in the description. So I'll focus mainly on the structural behavior shown in the historical chart activity. But before we head over to our strategy tester, let's just quickly look at the results that we have here on the MQL5 Marketplace page. Here we are seeing 172% in 2 months. Okay, we are seeing some trade history and all of that, right? So I'm also trying to see if there were backtested results displayed here. Okay, so based on this, we can see that from an initial deposit of $200, total net profit was $1,311, and total trades taken we are 14,969. Okay. All right, let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. We are going to be testing the EA on DEX 900 down, which was one of the indices mentioned. So we are testing the Deriv Nightmare on DEX 900 down on the H1 time frame, and we are testing it over recent market conditions. So we are using 2026 data from the beginning of the year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server and every tick modeling, of course. So looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was negative 25,392.78, and the total trades taken were 1,482. Short trades, there were no short trades. All the trades were long trades with a 99.93% win rate. Now, one of the questions I would ask myself is, why would the system have such a high win rate? No single okay, such a high win rate, almost 100% win rate, right? But the net profit is negative 25% of the balance. So that tells me that the problem is from the risk to reward ratio. The risk management should be the major problem. And we can confirm that here. We can see the largest profit was $81.55, but the largest loss is 30,217.14. The average profit was just 3.26, but the average loss was 30,217.14. So you can see that risk management is very, very poor. All right, very, very poor. So that is the reason why it's not surprising to see a total net profit of over 25% in the negative, right? So 25%, over 25% of the balance was lost. Now let's just quickly look at the chart. As I go through the chart, what stands out is the way trades are opened and then immediately hedged with opposing positions. You can see some chart trade history here, consistent with the system's hedging concept. Now, the trade management appears centered around controlling exposure rather than relying on directional single position trading. During the historical testing analysis, it is important to understand that this type of performance should be treated strictly as historical backtest results. The behavior we are seeing reflects past market conditions and does not guarantee future outcomes. All right, results can vary depending on factors such as lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, and overall market volatility. Now, because of this, longer term testing is always recommended to better understand how the system behaves across different conditions. All right, so from the historical chart behavior, the strategy appears to focus heavily on managing opposing trades simultaneously, allowing the EA to respond dynamically to market swings rather than predicting a single direction. So overall, the Deriv Nightmare EA for MT5 presents a synthetic hedging-based approach that is designed for volatile market environments. Its automated execution, hedging structure, and adaptability across different instruments are the main points highlighted in this review. All right. But as always, I would recommend testing this EA thoroughly in a controlled environment before considering any live application, and making sure that you understand how it behaves under different market conditions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Happy trading.